insight about it. Just to tell a little bit about Able Advisory. Able Advisory started 3 years back, and we started this company with one single motive. One single motive that we will create a financially sound world. Probably that speaks everything that we are talking about today. This whatever today we started off today after 3 years is a small initiative towards that long vision that we have. We are the only company probably we talk about don't invest into any investment. Don't invest into any investment because you want to. Invest in an investment which you have to. The difference between want to and have to is, in want to is impulsive. Have to is probably a decision that you have to take because it is required for you. Now I want to put a few points on what Pradeep left us. I think we're noting down standing behind. Point number one is asset allocation. Because we are impulsive buyers and sellers, we don't look at what is that required for us. It's coming cheap, let me keep it, probably I will need it later. That later will never come. And that thing will rust. So investment also do the same thing. Let's not do investments impulsively. Let's do an asset allocation and invest as per our asset allocation. Risk appetite. I may have a higher risk, you may have a lower risk. Let's understand our risk first and then have an asset allocation accordingly. Point number 2. Point number 3, about the cream on the milk. Profit booking. Last year was very volatile in terms of investment, stock markets across the world. Last year was very volatile. And today when I am talking to you, it is dropped 30%. Equity Sensex has dropped 30%. Our investment, our portfolio, our strategy is profitable 10%. Reason being, we were profit booking. So we made 10% profit for our customers. They are not in negative, they are in positive. With 30% negative return in the market. Rebalancing. Very important because as per age, as per our risk appetite, as per our situation in life, there's a bachelor, there's a just who started off just out of college, and a retired person. We have different requirements, we have different situations of life. We have to understand that first and then invest accordingly. We have to do a rebalancing on every part of time. You put a very good word that if you are hiring an advisor also, still it is your money. You have to go and ask some money what is happening about it. You have to worry about it, right? It's your baby. You put him to school, doesn't mean that he will go in a very fashionable way. You have to take care of him also. What is he doing in school, whether he is going to school or not. So that's how we look at it. This is your baby. You have to take care of the baby as long as it doesn't grow strong, on its own, independent. That's the thing I would take from that. In terms of litmus paper test, first understand wherever you invest, invest slowly. Don't jump into an investment. Someone tells you this is a good investment, try it out. Take a small step towards it. Try it out, small step. 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. Take a small step. See the return. Take some time, 6 months, 1 year. See the returns. You feel it's comfortable, you are happy with it. Go ahead, start investing. I think penicillin is like Amrit for doctors. Penicillin is the drug that was discovered as a nectar for the medical industry. But penicillin also works like poison. So doctor, before giving penicillin to any of the patients, they give one small drop of penicillin, wait for 24 hours to see the result. If it reacts, they don't give penicillin to that patient. Why don't we do the same thing with our investments? That's the kind of thing I think we could take it from there. Do we need to invest in the first place? If we have a need, then we have an investment. If we have a need, the investment, right investment is available there. We have options in that right investment. Choose the best option that you feel is good for you. Some people like a brand. There's a clothing. There's Alex Solly, there's Van Heusen, there's Peter England. You have a choice, right? Go and choose a brand. But do you need that to wear that shirt in the first place? If you don't need to wear that shirt, then there are shirts available for 200, 300 also which don't have a brand. But they are good shirts. They look good on you. Not necessarily I have to go to a mall and buy that 1,000 or 5,000, 2,000 rupees shirt just because of a brand. I don't require it. So that's very important here. So to look at that part also. And very important point, as the last one I kept it for the last, the cycles. Riding the cycle. What does riding the cycle mean in the first place? Markets will always perform up, down, up, down, up, down. But how long have you been in the market is what will decide how much return you have got. The Sensex started at 100 points 29 years back. Today it is 16,000 points. It went to 21,000 points, came down to 16,000 points, will go back to 29,000 points. Will go back to 29,000 points. But were you there when it was 16,000 points? When you kept on investing until then, until you went to 29,000 points? If you are there, the time in the market is more important than timing the market. Nobody can time the market. No expert can time the market, no trader can time the market, no broker can time the market. There is nobody here who can time the market. It's only time in the market that we talk about. If I am investing today in equities, so any kind of equity, let's buy Reliance only. If I have been investing in Reliance for every month for next 10 years, I am sure I will never lose. And one man who made huge profits in terms of investment, I can never lose, no matter where the market goes, no matter where Reliance goes, no matter where the stock goes. I will profit. Because I have rode with them. I have taken a whole cycle of 10 years with them. That's important. Time in the market, then time in the market. That's all I have to tell also. I think it's time that we have started off, take one step towards whatever we are talking about. Today's whatever program we have thought of is just one step towards making you aware that there are investment options available. Take risk, calculated risk, minimize the volatility, and be time in the market. That's important, and that's how we go about it. Thanks a lot. Thanks for coming, and thank you.
Any questions from your side? Like many questions we are expecting actually. So we are a small company, we are a startup company, you can say, and we are trying to do good to people by, there are a lot of people in the market who say who would like to come and say that okay, I'm an advisor for whatever insurance, mutual fund and all. So what would you like to get from us? What kind of services that you look from us? If you can just say, actually, if you can just note it down. Sir, start from you. Whatever. Now follow him means like why do you follow him?
I already in the services, so it's okay.
So
insurance and mutual funds.
what would you like? So tomorrow, Samir is not there for some reason. He becomes a sheikh of Dubai and he goes there to stay like that. Next time comes to you. As a financial advisor, would you look from me?
First is
Approachability. That's the thing. So from you, sir, what would you like to see from SSL? Say you not know SSL has come to your doorstep. So I'd like to serve you for your achieve investment needs.
I'll look at like what kind of knowledge that person has about that growth materials. Then if I already aware of particular thing, I'll try to get more information on that. For example, I just wanted to know my say life-term plan. So that is one which I want to invest. Then I want to ask or get more information on that.
Okay, so you basically want to say that okay, you want different companies, comparison and other knowledge sharing. Okay. So you are an expert on the industry. So from a person like us, like who are in the market as an advisory firm here, what would you like to get special services?
Maybe more than the advice services. We want to take the form, we have to put the form the same day.
Okay.
The services from maybe we can
Okay.
get the form.
Okay. Services. So because you are in the market, so that's what I'd like to ask some more because you know about the market. Right. So
We also advise on the property investment